Hi there, Jay here with Eskuad. Welcome to another video of Eskuad University. In this one, we'll show you how to configure your organization as well as all its settings. For this, our customer success specialist Enrique will guide you through it.
To configure your user settings, click on your username, Settings, and then go to Preferences. Here, you'll have various options to change your time zone, date format, time format, and your language. Please note that the date and time format is how they will appear in your reports. To configure your organization settings, click on Organization. From here, you can upload an image of your logo, which will appear like so. Here, you can also choose your company colors. These are the colors that will be used for the headers of your automatic backup reports. To change them, simply click on the color and then choose the color you want. Once it looks exactly like you want it to look, simply click Save Changes. You'll also have this Other Forms question for mobile, which will allow you to display all single and multiple choice fields as drop-down lists. This can also be done individually per form. Once you're done, click Save Preferences. Now, your reports will have your logo and will be in this format. Thank you for watching.
And there you have it. Now your organization is completely configured. I hope all the settings are of your liking. So make sure you navigate the Eskuad app and try to optimize the operational aspects of your business. Cheers!